There you go. All right, go ahead, Ivan. What are we working on here?
Today we have an A8 with the 4-liter V8 hot V setup and this twin turbo setup here. Unfortunately, turbos have some play in the shafts. Very, very minor, but this is way too excessive. What happens is as it spins, it hits the housing. There's a rubbing on the housing, and then eventually it's gonna end up breaking. Leads to a variety of things, but mainly underboost conditions and check engine lights. So that's why we're here, placing it. This customer had an EPC light, no check engine light, but it was definitely underpowered because of the underboost conditions, and the turbos are slowly dying. Luckily, this car was still drivable, so he was able to get here safe. And we were able to look in there with the borescope and look into the turbos and actually get to see the damage that was being caused in the turbine housing.
Good job.